Ever wondered if you're unknowingly damaging your turbocharged car? Many drivers make mistakes that silently harm their engines, leading to costly repairs or even catastrophic failures. In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 things you should never do in a turbocharged vehicle to keep it running smoothly and reliably. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a curious beginner, stick around. This guide might just save your car. Let's get started. Number 1. Never push your car hard. Before it's fully warmed up, revving your turbocharged engine before it's fully warmed up is a costly mistake many drivers make. While the coolant gauge might show that the engine is warm, your oil isn't ready yet. Engine oil takes longer to reach its optimal operating temperature, and until it doesn't flow efficiently. This leaves critical components, like the turbocharger, at risk of insufficient lubrication. Turbochargers spin at incredibly high RPMs and require proper lubrication to avoid damage. Always give your car a few extra minutes to warm up before driving hard. This ensures your engine oil is fully up to temperature, providing the protection your engine needs for longevity. Number 2. Don't shut off your engine immediately after hard driving. After pushing your turbocharged car hard, immediately turning off the engine can be harmful. When the engine shuts down, the oil flow stops, leaving parts like the turbocharger vulnerable to extreme heat. This heat can burn the oil, causing carbon deposits and sludge to form. Over time, these deposits can clog oil passages, leading to premature wear and expensive repairs. Instead, allow your engine to idle or cruise gently for a few minutes after intense driving. This practice helps cool critical components and keeps the oil in good condition. A little patience goes a long way in ensuring the health of your turbocharged engine. Number 3. Never lug your engine. Lugging your engine means accelerating at low RPMs in a high gear, and it's a habit you should avoid in a turbocharged car. This puts excessive strain on your engine, as it struggles to produce power efficiently at low speeds. Additionally, lugging can cause the engine to run with a rich fuel mixture, which risks damaging components like the catalytic converter. More concerning is the risk of low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, a condition in modern turbocharged engines that can cause severe damage to pistons and spark plugs. Always downshift to maintain optimal RPMs when accelerating. Proper gear management protects your engine and ensures smoother, more responsive driving. Number 4. Always use high-quality fuel. Using high-quality fuel is non-negotiable for turbocharged engines. Lower octane fuels can lead to engine knock, a damaging condition where fuel detonates prematurely. Knock doesn't just reduce performance, it can cause severe damage to pistons, valves, and other components. High-octane fuel reduces the likelihood of knock, allowing your engine to perform safely and efficiently. This is especially critical for modified engines that demand even more from their fuel. Avoid cheap, low-octane options as they compromise both performance and longevity. Investing in the highest quality fuel available ensures optimal power delivery and keeps your turbocharged engine running reliably for years to come. Number 5. Don't floor it out of corners. Turbocharged cars can be unpredictable if you floor the accelerator while exiting a corner. The delayed surge of power, known as turbo lag, can cause sudden instability. In rear-wheel drive cars, this often leads to oversteer, where the rear wheels lose grip and slide. For front-wheel drive cars, it may result in understeer, where the front wheels push wide and fail to hold the intended line. Both scenarios can be dangerous, especially on wet or uneven surfaces. Instead, apply throttle gradually and progressively when exiting a turn. This approach not only keeps your car stable, but also improves lap times and overall driving confidence. Taking care of your turbocharged car doesn't have to be complicated. By avoiding these 5 common mistakes, you'll keep your engine running smoothly and your wallet happy. Have questions or your own tips to share? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more insights. Thanks for watching. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.